Hello, it's Morgan Castle here. When you open our fridge, the light is at the end of its life. So the fridge light here is literally at the end of its life. So you see it flickering like that. And I believe the light just burned out. So the light's flickering, as you may see. It's at the end of its life. It's burning out right now. The light's like burning out, so the bulb is like dying, and the lunch is done, but the light is like burning out, and the light's like about to go. So as you may see, the bulb is dying. So yeah. The light bulb in the fridge is about to, so, as you may see, our fridge light bulb is up, back off, up. Sorry, that was one of our clients. That was one of our clients right there. He just, anyway, though, our light bulb is kind of, anyway. Yeah, see, one of our clients is kind of being naughty. See that? Anyway, though, our light is kind of... Anyway, though, our light is kind of, as you may see, so...
Let me put this in.
Yep. Anyway, as you may see, the light's flickering and kind of... As you may see, it's about to... I think it might be done. I think it just went. I think it might have went. Oh, maybe not. As you may see. Maybe not. Yeah, see, our other clients are being bad, but I think our light bulb might have went. I'm not sure. Excuse the other clients in this house. I don't know. I think our light might have, it's getting close to lunchtime. I think our light might have kind of gone. Let's make sure. Okay, I think our light is dead. Oops. Kind of zoomed in by accident. I think our light might be dead in their fridge. So, yep. It finally went, guys. The bulb finally died in the fridge. So, yep.